Hi, today we're going to be talking about student loan refinancing for teachers and if it's a good idea or not. First, the basics of student loan refinancing. You're going to look around for a new lender. This could be at your local credit union or bank or an online institution like Earnest or Common Bond. You're looking for a lower interest rate and the loan terms that you want. The benefit of refinancing is that the lender pays off your old student loan and gives you one new private student loan, and that means you have one easy to manage payment and you've lowered your interest rate. Now, as a teacher, this may not be the best path for you. The first thing you have to do is figure out which types of student loans you have. So if you have private student loans, then yes, 100% you're going to want to look into refinancing. You can start by going to studentloanplanner.com/refinance and see some of the lenders that we've got on there and reviews and start your search there. If you have federal student loans, which most teachers have federal student loans, then you're going to want to look into the student loan forgiveness programs that you might be eligible for. And there's several of them. The first is Perkins loan cancellation, and you can get, if you have Perkins federal student loans, you can get those canceled out. The second is teacher loan forgiveness. And this one you want to compare to public service loan forgiveness. These are the two big ones, right? Teacher loan forgiveness offers $5,000 for some teachers and up to $17,500 of student loan forgiveness if you teach at a low-income school and depending on the subject that you teach. So if you have a student loan balance of around $20,000 or less, then this could be a great forgiveness option for you. If you owe more than that, which a lot of teachers do, especially if you went to graduate school, then you're going to want to look into public service loan forgiveness or PSLF. Under this program, you're going to get on an income-driven repayment plan. You'll make 120 qualifying payments. They're qualifying because you're on that plan. And then the rest of your student loan balance is forgiven, tax-free. This is a huge benefit for teachers. You have to work for a not-for-profit or a government agency in order to qualify. So if you work at a private school or a charter school, don't just automatically switch to refinancing. If that's the case for you, you're probably not going to qualify for PSLF. Then you'll want to look into income-driven repayment plan forgiveness and compare that forgiveness program to refinancing. Under that program, you make payments for 20 to 25 years and the remaining balance of your student loans are forgiven, but it's not tax-free. So that's one of those ones where you're going to go back to our forgiveness math that we talk a lot about on Student Loan Planner, where if you owe more than 1.5 times your income, then you're going to want to go for a forgiveness plan like IDR. If you owe less than that, then you want to refinance and aggressively pay them back. Again, that's only for teachers who work at a private school or charter school or may not qualify for PSLF. Otherwise, PSLF is going to be the way to go. And you can think about it this way. Instead of sinking all of your money into aggressive debt payoff, you're going to pay the minimum amount each month under PSLF, and then the rest of those funds are going to go towards your retirement and investments and your future planning. And that's really important that you're setting yourself up for the overall financial health and not necessarily just choosing aggressive debt payoff because you got a lower interest rate. So bottom line, if you have private student loans, refinancing is a great idea. You need to look into that as a teacher. If you have federal student loans, then you need to look into the student loan forgiveness programs that are available to you and sign up for those, get the paperwork done so that you can be really strategic about your debt payoff. If you need any help with this or have any questions, feel free to reach out to the team at Student Loan Planner. We're here to help. We help lots of teachers who've gone to graduate school and have an incredible burden of student loan debt, and that can be really hard on a low salary. So send us a note or a message. We look forward to hearing from you.